Now it's time to talk about the steam boilers. As you can see, depending on the material it's constructed, it have different values. Efficiency is always like this. Even if I look for another type of boiler, you see that all of them is 100%. Now the next one is the energy in, the amount of heat it can receive at one time, on this case 24, and the capacity of the heat it can store before melting down. And now we have the steam output and also the capacity of steam. When you place it, it looks like this, and as you can guess, you don't have energy I. You need to place water on it, of course, for it to work. So all you need to do is grab your bucket and place it on the front of it, not on the side. Now to have some water, all you need to do is start the boiler. And the boil start to heat up and convert our water precipitate on steam. Now it should need to heat up a little. Well, it got heat enough to generate some steam. As you can see, it's still on the green and the fire is out. This is the output for the steam on the top of it. If I place any machine that accepts steam, it will start to inject it. One example is this fluid distribution from the industrial craft. If I place it right like here and arrange it to the correct way, you see we have steam inside of it, and we can use that to use it into the other GT6 machine that accepts steam. But this is one example. You don't need always to place water manually. You can pump water inside of it using some pipes or auto machines, like industrial craft 2 fluid regulator. If you place one regulator here and set to insert your water for you, it's gonna do it. Let's place this distilled water on it. It will not accept now because it is working with water. You can use either water or distilled water. What is the advantage of warm water is that normal water will cause calcification on the boiler, making it less efficient and taking more time to work until it gets totally calcified and don't work anymore. So let's break this one and place this one here real quick. Arrange the correct way, and it is going. It is injecting water inside this boiler. So let's place more coal here and it should work. There is also another version of the boiler, just like into the burning boxes. It's the strong steam boiler. It can receive 4 times more heat and output 4 times more steam than the normal variation of it. And you should be warned, just as the tooltip say, this bar means the pressure inside of the boiler. If it goes to the red, well, you're gonna have a nice hole in your base. So be warned.